Hi, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel, and today I am launching the latest raffle from Gary Stuff. In this one you have the chance of winning the stunning CH-54A Tarhe helicopter with a universal military pod. This is in 1/35th scale and of course it's a kit from ICM. The kit contains just under 700 parts and when complete will be 225mm high and 774mm long, including a rotor span of 670mm. There are 3 marking options included in the decal sheet. This kit is legendary. It retails anywhere up to about £140 in the UK. It's one of those sort of aspirational, maybe one day kits, but today you have a chance of winning it in the latest raffle. All you have to do is go to the website listed here. It's also given in the information box below, or you can use the QR code that is on your screen now. When you go there, make sure you've registered or log in if you've already been there before, of course, and answer a very simple question using your skill and judgment. If you do that correctly, then you are eligible to purchase raffle tickets. Each ticket costs £1. There are multi-buy deals available as well. The raffle will finish at 5 minutes to midnight on Saturday, 30th of November 2024 UK time. That's 23:55 in UTC or Zulu time, if that means anything to you. At that point, Raffle, who are my hosting partner for this raffle, will make the selection of the winner. It will be done completely independently of me, and it will be done completely at random. They'll notify me who the winner is. I'll get in touch with you by email. So make sure, please make sure, the email that you sign in with is the correct one. I will send the package to you no matter where you are if you're the winner. I've already sent packages to the USA and to Australia. I do that entirely at my own cost, so don't worry about that. Remember also that 10% of the proceeds of the raffle will go to Models for Heroes. Very excellent charity. If you want to know more about them, check out the link in the information box below. That's it. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Check out the raffle site, and if you enter, very best of luck to you. Thank you so very much for watching today. Hope to see you on the channel again very soon. Take good care now, and goodbye.